There we go.
Can you see that one stuck to that link?
The last weekend in October saw something new happening at Towneley Park. It's the new Burnley Nature Festival. There was lots of things going on, with activities for people of all ages, demonstrations by local interest groups, and lots to do for children, all around the theme of nature. Alexis Turner is the coordinator for the Nature Festival, and we caught up with her midway through the afternoon.
Burnley Nature Festival is launching what we're calling our Outdoor Town Vision and Outdoor Town campaign, which is basically just encouraging people to get outdoors. And the outdoors doesn't mean just the green spaces like our fabulous parks, but it could be anything beyond your doorstep, because we know that getting outside is great for our physical and mental well-being. So the Nature Festival is kind of launching this campaign, and what we wanted to do was just bring together all the different organisations that are working in and across the borough that offer outdoor opportunities, whether that's kind of guided walks, river dipping. We've just got lots and lots on offer across the borough, and a lot of people don't really know about it. So the Nature Festival, has brought together all the partners offering outdoor activities. So if people have enjoyed what they see today, they can carry on doing it and taking part with those organisations, because a lot of the activities on offer are absolutely free. So that's what we're here to do today, is showcase all those fabulous organisations.
There were a number of local groups showing what they provide, including the Keep the Beat community drumming group.
How often do you meet?
We meet every Monday in Colne, Monday evening, and at the Open Door Centre, and also we meet every Sunday afternoon just near Haworth, and Crossroads, and it's good fun. We enjoy it, and nice. It's a nice social group as well, isn't it, what we've got? So, and people are more than welcome to come and have a go. And I'm sure they'd enjoy it.
Guided walks on identifying fungi and foraging for berries took visitors through Townley's woods.
Just at the Burnley Nature Festival with this wonderful gang of folks, going for a forage in the woods to see what trees, mushrooms and plants and whatever else we can find that's exciting to learn about.
Hi, my name's Emma Fielding. I'm part of the Canal and River Trust. So we're here today to make some lantern makings. And so basically we're just going to get the public to make some of these.
We're from Lancashire Adult Learning, and we're here to talk about all the courses that we do. And we've also got a little activity for the youngsters to make a seed bomb, which is a little bit of compost and flour together with some wildflower seeds. So you make a little bomb and then you find somewhere where you can throw it, and hopefully some wildflowers will grow in the spring for the bees.
Hello, my name's Sue. I'm from Children and Family Wellbeing Service in Burnley, and we are doing our woodland craft activities in the park. Wrapping around like that.
Yeah, let's do it.
Sugar.
And then you can turn it upside down. That looks brilliant! Wow! Well done, you! No, we have to staple it, I think.
Perfect. There we go. Well done. Yes, brilliant. Good job. Hello, you.
Super duper, well done. There you go. Thank you very much. That's great.
What do you say?
Enjoy. You're welcome for the rest of your day. You've signed everything, yeah?
Yeah.
Super.
Perfect. Come on, girls.
For you, what works?
You think you've done it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you pull it out, then you can pull that side. Brilliant.
The last activity of the afternoon was the glow walk through the woods. Finally, I asked Alexis how successful the event had been.
It's great to see how popular today's been. You can see people just walking up the avenue. The park is bustling, and it's just great, especially this time of year when people tend to go back into kind of hibernation for the winter. We've used the Nature Festival to really draw people back outdoors into our parks and open spaces.
For more information on what's going on outdoors and making the most of nature around Burnley, follow #OutdoorTown on social media.